Hey guys, if you haven't noticed, we're on a boat right now and we're actually getting ready to leave over near Epcot. So we're on one of their friendship boats. You can see that in the little dinghy out there, the little life preserver dinghy out there. And we're backing out of the Epcot boat launch right here. And we're getting ready to head over a nice short run tonight. We're actually heading out, but we're actually going to be heading over to the BoardWalk Resort. So this is you guys leaving the boat launch, and now we're heading on out towards the yacht, the beach club villas. We've got the Swan, the Dolphin, the Swan Reserve, and of course the BoardWalk, and that's where this small boat ride is going to be taking us tonight. Now, if you guys want to go over to any of the other places, just jump on over at the BoardWalk, and it'll take you over to the Swan and Dolphin, or it'll take you over to the Yacht Club, the Beach Club, the villas at the Beach Club, and it'll take you right on over to Hollywood Studios. But this is a nice short run, so if you guys get lucky and you come out of Epcot, you can just jump in this boat right here, and it saves you from walking over to the BoardWalk or even over to the Yacht Club. You can actually jump off this boat, jump onto another boat over at BoardWalk, and it'll take you right over to the Yacht Club if you guys want to save some mileage on your feet. But you can see in the distance there, you've got the Yacht Club. The beach is to the far right. You really can't tell the difference between the two at nighttime, but during the day, there's a blue and a gray. The blue being the beach club, the gray being the yacht club, and way out in the distance is the Swan and Dolphin. And behind both of those is going to be the Swan Reserve. That's the new hotel resort they built over there, and that's right next to the miniature golf place. But we're actually going to come out a little bit further, and then we're going to start banking over to the left. But there's a look through the windows. I think it looks actually nicer through the windows than it does out the actual doorway. The shadows look nice. But it's pretty bright up there. They got a lot of lights going on tonight, so that's nice. So you get to see where you're headed. And it's always a beautiful picture coming into the BoardWalk and going by the Yacht Club. It's just beautiful to see it from a boat perspective instead of walking around the outside. And we actually love doing the loop over here. So if you guys come over to any of these resorts right here, you can walk around the big loop. It's a big boardwalk that goes all the way around, so it's quite a bit of a walk around. So you guys got to have some good legs to be doing that. But otherwise, it's a pretty decent sized walk. Goes all the way around. You can rent the Surrey bikes if you want. We do that periodically, and you can always see them on our website. You've got the countrybeartours.com. Go into any of the resorts like the BoardWalk, and it'll be right in there with the Surrey bikes. But as you can see, we're coming into the boat launch right over here at the BoardWalk, guys. So this video here is almost at a conclusion. We're getting ready to head on out for the night. We did a lot of walking. You can tell I'm losing my voice. But this has been a nice run over here. Keep an eye open for a lot more of these boats and bus runs. We're going to try to get some of the trams out there too for you. But we're trying to get out there right now. We're trying to get a lot of the Christmas decor stuff all mapped out for you guys so you can see which different resorts have them up, what they look like and stuff like that. But this is always a fun ride, guys. Keep posting, give us a subscribe, a like, and we'll see you guys in a little bit, guys. Take it easy.
You are clear on clear.